So, Flory, yung fruit of labor ni Mera at ni Raul, for you. Kay in fairness yung fruit of labor ni Lola Flor at ni Lolo Lope nasa sa inyo. And ko lang pa. Hindi yan sa'yo, nakititira ka lamang. Kaso, year 2023, harapan mo kaming ginawang baliw. So, yung hard work ni Shelo, for you. Kay, it's a no.